I'm sure you've heard the news. Too much screen time is stressing us out. Let's fix that with a digital detox. Did you know taking breaks from technology can boost your mood and mental clarity? Yep, it's true. First up, set some boundaries. Designate tech-free zones in your home, like the bedroom or dinner table. Your mind will thank you. Next, schedule regular digital breaks. Try the 1 hour on, 15 minutes off rule. It's a game changer. Also, get outside. Nature is the ultimate reset button. A short walk can do wonders for your mental health. And don't forget to reconnect with people in real life. Grab coffee with a friend or join a local club. Social media can wait. Finally, practice mindfulness. Use moments away from screens to meditate or simply breathe deeply. You'll feel more centered and calm. So, are you ready to unplug to recharge? Start your digital detox today and watch your mental health soar. You've got this. Taking regular breaks from technology can significantly improve your mental health. It reduces stress, anxiety, and helps you reconnect with yourself and others. Consider setting aside time each day to unplug and engage in activities that promote relaxation and mindfulness. Imagine this. You've been scrolling through your phone for hours, feeling increasingly overwhelmed. Now picture putting your phone down and stepping outside. Feel the sun on your face, hear the birds singing, and take a deep breath. That's the power of a digital break. When you unplug, you give your mind a chance to rest and recover. This can lead to reduced stress levels and a calmer, more focused mind. It's like hitting the reset button on your mental health. Engaging in activities like reading a book, practicing yoga, or even just sitting quietly can help you feel more grounded and present. These moments of mindfulness are essential for maintaining a healthy mental state. So make it a habit to take regular breaks from technology. Your mind and body will thank you for it. Remember, it's not about completely disconnecting, but about finding balance. Start small and gradually increase your tech-free time. You'll soon notice the positive impact on your mental health. Ready to take a break? Your journey to better mental health starts now. Reducing screen time can have numerous physical health benefits. It can improve your posture, reduce eye strain, and encourage more physical activity. Make it a habit to take regular breaks from your devices to stretch, move around, and engage in physical activities. Imagine sitting at your desk, hunched over a computer for hours on end. Your shoulders ache, your eyes are tired, and your body feels stiff. Now, picture yourself standing up, stretching your arms wide and taking a deep breath. You feel the tension in your muscles release, and your energy levels rise. That's the power of taking a break from technology. By reducing screen time, you can improve your posture. Sitting for long periods can lead to slouching and back pain, but regular breaks to stand and stretch can help maintain proper alignment and reduce discomfort. Additionally, less screen time means less eye strain. Staring at a screen for extended periods can cause digital eye strain, leading to headaches and blurred vision. Taking breaks to look away from your screen and focus on distant objects can help alleviate these symptoms. Moreover, stepping away from your devices encourages more physical activity. Whether it's a short walk, a quick workout, or simply standing up and moving around, these activities can boost your physical health. Regular movement helps improve circulation, increases energy levels, and can even enhance your mood. So, make it a habit to take regular breaks from your devices. Stand up, stretch, and move around. Your body will thank you for it. Remember, it's not about completely disconnecting, but about finding balance. Start small and gradually increase your tech-free time. You'll soon notice the positive impact on your physical health. Ready to take a break? Your journey to better physical health starts now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.